Namaste and welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make sweet appam. This is one of the recipes made for this festival of Karthigai deepam, which falls on Sunday 26th of November. This I have taken 1 cup of jaggery powder. Add about half a cup of warm water to it and allow it to dissolve. This is the very fine Semolina or Chiroti Rava. I am adding 1 cup. If you only have the regular Semolina, you can grind it in your mixie jar and make it fine. Mix it also well together. I will cover it and allow it to rest for about. The dough has rested for about 20 minutes now. See. Now I will just transfer this into my mixie jar. To this we will add 1 ripe banana. This is 1/4 cup of grated coconut. This is optional. If you have, you can add. It adds a good taste to it. This is 1/4 cup of rice flour. Now we'll blend all these together and bring it back. Don't add any extra water. Now pour this batter back into the bowl. Add about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder for flavor and mix it well. See the consistency of the batter. I kept the oil for heating. Now we'll just test if the oil is hot enough. Put a small drop of this batter and check it. See, it is slowly rising and coming up to the surface. So this heat is all right. First heat the oil, reduce it to medium heat and then continue frying. Take a small ladle of batter and pour it in the center like this. Just splash some oil over it. Then gently turn it over. Cook it on medium heat till the bubbles start reducing. Carefully drain it out from the oil. Similarly, we will make with the remaining batter also. See how it is puffing up on its own and coming. Gently flip it over. Now carefully drain out the appam from the oil. Only thing, remember, don't put the ladle immediately as soon as you drop the batter. Wait for half a minute and then put the ladle. Similarly, we can cook the remaining appams also. Our appams are done and ready. We have got about 13 appams of this size. Nice and crispy on the outside and at the same time they are lovely spongy on the inside. Just 2 tips to remember. First heat the oil, then reduce it to medium temperature and fry it only on a low to medium temperature. If you fry on a high temperature, the outer covering will get cooked but the inside will still be undercooked. And the second one, once you put the batter in the oil, don't put the ladle immediately. Wait for half a minute and then gently turn it over, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. Follow this method and you will get lovely spongy appams. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen And we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.